to live the life that we have been purposed and created for. Peace, how you doing? This is E. Bernard Alexander, host of King's Corner. Another awesome session. Huge thank you to David Buck, founder and executive director of Bridges of Opportunity, leading the conversation, the weights we carry, emotional wellness, and the black male experience. Introducing the ideal, the concept of sheer audacity. Us as black men must have the sheer audacity to lay down all of the weights that no longer serve, become healed, and to spread that healing, to live the life that we have been purposed and created for. Let's have that sheer audacity. The kings that were open, that share their experiences. If you would like to be a future guest host on the upcoming King's Corner, please DM us at King's Corner BMH or at Black Men Hill. We can't wait to see you.